Field surveyors play a crucial role in gathering accurate and reliable data for various purposes. In the city of Faridabad, these professionals are in high demand due to the rapid urban development and infrastructure projects taking place. Field surveyors in Faridabad city are responsible for conducting surveys and collecting data related to land boundaries, topography, utilities, and other relevant information. The work of field surveyors in Faridabad city involves using specialized equipment such as DGP's devices, total stations, and laser scanners to measure and record precise measurements. They also utilize advanced software to process the collected data and create detailed maps, plans, and reports. Their expertise is essential for urban planning, construction projects, real estate development, and environmental assessments. The role of field surveyors in Faridabad city goes beyond just collecting data. They also need to interpret the information they gather and provide valuable insights to their clients or employers. This requires a deep understanding of various aspects such as land laws, building regulations, and zoning restrictions. Field surveyors need to stay up to date with the latest industry trends and technological advancements to ensure their work meets the highest standards. SCON Design is a prominent firm in Faridabad city that specializes in providing comprehensive surveying and consultancy services. With a team of skilled field surveyors, they offer a wide range of services including topographic surveys, boundary surveys, utility mapping, and construction staking. SCON Design has built a reputation for delivering accurate and timely results to their clients in Faridabad city. The field surveyors at SCON Design are equipped with state-of-the-art technology and have extensive experience in working on diverse projects. Field surveyors are essential in obtaining accurate data that can be relied upon for a variety of uses. Due to the tremendous urban development and infrastructural developments underway in the city of Faridabad, these professionals are in high demand. Field surveyors in the city of Faridabad are in charge of carrying out investigations and gathering information about terrain, utilities, and other pertinent topics. Field surveyors in the city of Faridabad perform their work by taking exact measures and recording them using sophisticated tools including DGP units, total stations, and laser scanners. Additionally, they make use of cutting-edge technologies to process the data gathered and produce in-depth reports, maps, and plans. Their knowledge is crucial for environmental assessments, building projects, real estate development, and urban planning. In the city of Faridabad, field surveyors play more than just the data collection duty. Additionally, they must analyze the data they acquire and offer their customers or employers insightful analysis. This necessitates a thorough comprehension of many different topics, including zoning rules, building codes, and land laws. To ensure that their work is of the greatest caliber,